Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll share with you how to play Catizen and be able to level up your cats for better points on their upcoming airdrop. Catizen is a text-based game on Telegram where players care for a virtual cat, managing tasks like feeding, playing, and health. Players use text commands to interact and aim to keep their cats happy and healthy. If you want to play this game and earn free airdrops too, you can check the video description for the invite link to play. Here's what the Catizen game looks like on Telegram. First, let me help you get familiarized. This voice is to turn on or off voice greetings.
شكرا.
Hey.
مرحبا.
Merci.
This is a community area where you can join or create a club. Mine is where you will see Lunch Pool, Boost, and My Assets tab. On your My Assets tab, you will see how much VKT you have, which is an in-game token points. Fishcoin is for boosting your game, and WCATI is the tradable token that you can exchange for cash. And XCent points are a type of in-game currency earned through participating in the spin feature and other activities within the game that can be used to purchase items, boost, and other in-game benefits, contributing to your overall progress in Catizen. With fishing, you will spend 84 Fishcoin every time you fish, and you will earn VKT or Fishcoin. For fishing rules, you can catch a large number of VKT and fish by fishing. The amount of VKT gained is related to your speed. This section is your total VKT points. This area shows how much VKT per second you are earning. If you click this rocket icon, you will see a free boost, a 75-minute boost but you need to use ton, and a 240-minute boost which costs 50 Fishcoin. In my experience, it's best to use a 240-minute boost rather than fishing, and leave your phone or computer open all day long. Yes, you heard me right. This game is time-consuming if you really want to level up your cats. So if you have an extra phone or computer that you can leave on, then go for it. This area shows your league. As of the moment, I am already in Diamond League, and I'm very close to Master League. I also read that your league or profit per second can have a huge impact on how much airdrop you will get. So this is how you play the game. You just drag the cats to one another to combine. But I get what you think. It's tiring to do it all day long. So you really need to buy the Auto Merge, which costs around 3,900 Fishcoin. Below will be the menu tabs such as Shop, where you can claim free cat or XN airdrop, and buy Fishcoin. Earn tab, where you can claim free Fishcoin daily, and do tasks to earn Fishcoin too. The feed section is where you buy new cats. If you have a higher level cats, using VKT will not be enough and not worth it, as cats gets too expensive already. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.